Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus Pad, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, remember one rule. Open your settings and remember this rule. So open settings and open about device. And here, as you can see, I have used only 30 GB of my internal storage, and it's very good. But I have only 128 GB, and when you fill up your internal storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. You can use this rule for any Android, iOS, Windows, macOS device. So if your storage, your disk is used over the 70%, it means that your system is slowing down. Okay, cool. So if you have used, you need to remove unused apps, old photos, videos, or move it to the PC. I don't know. You can backup it and move it to the other drive, for example. So cool. The next step is RAM. So open your RAM. So sorry, maybe I need to disable the power saving mode because my tablet is disabling too fast. Okay, so as you can see, open about device again, and here you will see RAM. So you have 8 GB of RAM by default, but you can expand it using internal storage, part of the internal storage. So it's a very good idea to choose here 6 or 4 GB, for example. Then, of course, you need to click back and click restart now. I will don't do it now because I will need to restart this video, and this video will be longer. So I have enabled 6 GB. I suggest to enable 6 or 4. I'm not suggest you to use 8 GB of RAM expansion. So use 4 or 6 GB. Okay, cool. And the last aspect, you can slow down your device. So click about device storage. Is the trash files. So you have trash files on your device, and to clean it, you need to find files application, but I don't see it here. Maybe it's here. Oh no, it was wallet. Oh, files. Okay, it's here. So find files application. Okay, and here you will see the clean. Click on it. And as you can see, I have junk files on my device, but I have a new device. I have bought this device several days ago, and I have 48 megabytes of junk files. And if you are using this device a long time, so maybe you have a lot of junk files here. So click clear, and this device will clear junk files. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.